Welcome to Makirakacha TV, the home of bold gardeners and even bolder tomatoes. Today we're unlocking a powerful secret: hydrogen peroxide and baking soda, two natural remedies that could be your tomato plant's last hope against deadly diseases. These ingredients are cheap, they're easy to find, but when used the Makirakacha way, they become your ultimate fungal defense combo. So, stay with me to the end, because I'm revealing the real hack only true tomato lovers know. Before we begin, drop a comment below. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you love juicy tomatoes and smart hacks, like this video and subscribe now. Now imagine this. It's August. Your tomato plants are bursting with fruit. Then, disaster. You spot black dots, yellow halos, or brown rings eating through your leaves. You've just met leaf spot and its notorious cousin, early blight. Left unchecked? They'll wipe out your crop before the season ends. But not this time. Say hello to your secret weapons: hydrogen peroxide, 3% from the grocery store or pharmacy, and baking soda, straight from your kitchen. Here's how we weaponize them for tomatoes. Mix 12 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide with 1 gallon of water. Spray it thoroughly. Tops of leaves, undersides, stems, every inch of that tomato plant. What's happening here? The H2O2 breaks down and releases oxygen. That bubbling action? It's killing bacteria and fungus on contact. It's like giving your tomato a disinfecting shower. But wait, that protection doesn't last long. The very next day you switch to baking soda. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons per gallon of water. Spray the same way, top, bottom, stem. This time you're not just killing the problem. You're changing the pH of the leaf surface, making it too alkaline for fungi to survive. No pH balance equals no fungal party. Repeat this routine every 7 days. It's your tomatoes' weekly armor. Got an outbreak? Don't panic. Here's the emergency spray plan. Day 1, hydrogen peroxide spray. Day 2, skip. Day 3, hydrogen peroxide again. Day 4, skip. Day 5, baking soda spray. That combo stops the disease and starts rebuilding your plant's defenses fast. Let me show you what this looks like in action. Check out this Brandywine tomato, known for being disease-prone. But with this spray routine, it's loaded with fruit and thriving. Even my 8-foot-tall black cherry tomatoes are still pushing strong. The lower leaves have a few scars, but the top growth is lush and green. Here's the game changer most gardeners miss. Start spraying before the disease shows up. Fungus starts hitting hard around mid-June, so I begin my hydrogen peroxide plus baking soda routine in late May. Prevent the problem before it even starts, and you'll have red, ripe, disease-free tomatoes until the season ends. What about you? What's the disease situation like in your tomato garden? Tell us in the comments. Let's swap stories, share hacks, and grow stronger together. If this video is helping you fight tomato disease, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to Makirakacha TV for more gardening gold. We've got even wilder hacks coming up, including one with milk and bananas that will blow your mind. Makirakacha TV take-home message: great tomatoes don't just grow, they're protected. A weekly spray, a watchful eye, and a little kitchen science can turn your garden into a tomato paradise. Hydrogen peroxide cleans, baking soda protects. And you're the hero of your harvest. Thanks for tuning in. Drop your location in the comments. Tell us how your tomatoes are doing. Hit like if you learned something new. And subscribe to Makirakacha TV, where we grow with passion and protect with power. Until next time, keep your leaves green and your tomatoes red. This is Makirakacha TV, and this is how we grow.